Guys and gals, welcome to Sweet Project Cars. Cool, trick, and affordable ways for the do-it-yourselfer and simple ways. We hit the gas can jackpot and we want to share this with you here. Look at this. Finally, somebody came up with a great idea. You know the piles that you've been using? These over here? About the most worthless gas can spouts in the entire world. Those right there where you have to turn this lock thing here and bring that up and turn that over, you end up breaking them off. This thing here, you're trying to push this in here and pull it forward to open that up so it will pour. This is the only good one I brought from Michigan, and I got rid of all the other ones. I should have never done that. Pull the spout cap off and pour. These here are the biggest piles of junk in the entire world. Now, somebody got smart and came up with these buggers right here. They're very heavy-duty plastic, and I am so impressed with them. We're not being paid to share this. We're just sharing it with you because this is the only way to go. Only way to go. You only need one spout because you can take this cap off, put it on this one, put this cap back on here, and you have your spout. The spout is flexible. You get these little brackets with it so that it won't get a kink in it. Got a screen in it right there. And we have yet to see them swell up from heat here in Florida because they have the best vent cap on them. All you have to do is crack it loose and they pour out 5 gallons in no time. They're called red square, yellow square, orange square, green square, but you know what they are. Julio, tell them where they can find these.
Buscar en el show más de la descripción de video para todas las herramientas.
Thank you, Julio Cesar Chavez Rodriguez.